Welcome back. Now, one background information tool that you may want to use that does not exist inside of ChatGPT is called Google Talk to Books. And if you go to your favorite search engine, you're going to see here that there's a link called Talk to Books from Google Books. And we're going to click on that link. And Talk to Books is a semantic search tool from Google, accessing the words inside of published books on Google Books. So we're going to write in a semantic search term. Once we have our phrase, we are then going to click Go. And what you will have is direct citations from specific books regarding your query. Now, you can go back and redo your query if you don't get the results that you like. What you get with this page also is a filter command. And we can click on Filter. And if you have a way of filtering the information, you can do so here in this area. We can view more passages for more books. And again, these are books that we are going to cite directly inside of whatever artifact that we are producing. And in some cases, we may even link back to the book, either with an affiliate link, but definitely with some kind of credit to the author. What this also does is it allows us to verify that what we are stating in our artifact is going to be correct and accurate. So you can use the AI in Google Talk to Books in order to find background information and direct citation information. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.